If you want a big picture view across multiple work streams, SmartSuite's timeline view is a great option for you. Hi, I'm Dan Lehman from AutomationHelpers.com, a SmartSuite implementation partner. To create a new timeline view, you can navigate to any app in any solution that you have inside of SmartSuite. Simply go to the upper left-hand corner, and from here you can add a public or private view and select Timeline. The timeline supports the date field, the due date field, and the date range field, so there's lots of flexibility on the kinds of information that you want to see on the timeline. Here we can select which date field it is that we want, and we can select which color we want this to display as. One of the most powerful features is the group by, which makes this appear like a Gantt chart. We can click on the group, and in this case, maybe we want to look by phase, which then is going to group our tasks to make it easy to be able to see those timelines based on the phase that we're in. We can modify the timeline. In this case, we're looking at days, but we could go to weeks or months or hours, depending on our preference. This is all an easy to use drag and drop interface. So if we find that the timeline for a task bumps out, we can simply click and drag this out to where it needs to go, and this updates that date information in the background. And if we want to see the full details of a record view, we can simply click on that record, and now we're able to edit any of the attributes of the record itself. If you have a lot of records that you need to schedule quickly, one of the features that you'll love is this record listing view. We can open this up on the side panel, and what we can do is we can actually click here, and this will take us to where on the timeline it is, if it's already there, or we could simply click into the record and update the date for it to update on the timeline. We have many other toolbar features that we can utilize, but one of my favorites is the spotlight, where maybe we want to take the status and say, if this is something that's blocked, let's go ahead and change the color of this to that cherry red. Now this has that nice visual contrast to be able to see what's blocked on our timeline. To get started with the timeline view, simply click in your navigation in the upper left-hand corner, press the plus button, and add a new timeline.